Okay, great work. That was our core section. Now we are going to move on to a cool down. I'm going to show you how to effectively come down from that workout and stretch your body so you have long, lean, beautiful muscles. All right, we're going to start with some rocking side to side. Grab your towel if you need it. Yeah. Just let it feel really good. You just did a workout for your whole body. Bring the arm up and down. Yeah. Looking good. Okay, bring the arm in front of you. Reach, reach. I love the song because it says, it's a new day tomorrow. Gives you inspiration to achieve whatever you want. And remember that if you don't go as far as you think you went, you're going to. It's a new day tomorrow. Yeah. Good. Okay, take a big squat. Breathe in, reach up. Let it go all the way to the floor. And then roll up slow. Slow roll up. Breathe in. Reach up, let go all the way to the floor. Roll up slow. Good, let's roll the shoulders up and back. So good to have good posture. Other way. Yeah. Feeling good. Okay, one more big breath in, reach up. Let it go all the way down. Roll it up. Good, let's put one leg back, place the heel on the floor, push the hips forward, stretch the hip flexor, so it's this muscle right here, where it's really tight a lot. Reach one arm up and stretch over. Beautiful. Grab that leg for a quad stretch. Did some great work on your legs today. My cat is sitting right there. She's been watching me the whole time. Okay, bring your foot onto your quad, and that might be hard enough right there. If you'd like, you can go deeper into a squat. Good. Other leg back, press the heel into the floor, hips straight. Oh, it should feel good right here. Arm up, reach. So good. Bring that foot up. Quad stretch. Good. Same thing. You can bring that foot onto the quad. That might be enough right there. You can also bring the foot into the the knee socket on the inner leg. Squat. Beautiful. Okay, big breath in. And let it go all the way down to the floor. And roll up slow. Okay, bring the head over to the side, get a little neck stretch. We hold so much tension in our neck. So just breathe. Switch. Chin to chest. Head back. Always being gentle with your neck. Big roll of the head. Other way. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of yoga just to cool down. The breathing of yoga is really good for you, for your mind, to get the blood flow. So you're going to come onto the floor. We're going to go into a downward dog. Hands on the floor, feet on the floor. And then press your heels back. Press through your shoulders. And it should feel good. You can walk your feet out, alternating, bending and straightening your legs. And just hold it here for a little bit and just feel how good it is to have the blood coming to your head. And breathe. Yes. Okay, from here, come onto your knees. Bring one leg forward for a lunge. And listen to your body. You might be really tight. That's okay. Don't let your knee go past your toe. Keep it just really close to you, right above your ankle, and relax into your hip. Now bring your hands to the floor where your feet are, where your foot is. Send your hips back, bring your toe up for a hamstring stretch. Good. Let's switch legs to your lunge. Should feel really good. You can reach up to the sky if you like. Bring your hand back to your foot. Send your hips back for hamstring stretch. So good. And bring it back to your downward dog. Hands and feet on the floor. Set your hips back. Walk your feet out. Push through the shoulders. Push through the abs and the back. Okay, now bring your knees to the floor for child's pose. Knees further than hip width distance apart. So your hips back onto your heels. Stretch your arms out forward. And then bring one arm, bring your left arm and thread it under your right arm. Shoulder stretch. Switch, right arm, thread under the left arm. Good, now plant your hands on the ground, back up to downward dog, and walk your hands back to your feet or your feet to your hands, bend your knees for a forward fold, and just let it hang. And slowly with control, when you're ready, roll up one vertebrae at a time. All right, there you have it. Now give yourself a round of applause. Thank you so much for joining me for the at-home workout series introductory videos. I hope you got a good idea of what it's like to work out at home and maybe some inspiration for incorporating workouts into your lifestyle, and to know that you can really fit this into your life no matter what stage of life you're in. Just doing one thing at a time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, making it a daily routine and loving it. I hope that you were inspired by this. If you are new to my page, I normally post farm-to-table recipes and homemade natural living from our homestead in Duvall. Please subscribe and like on Facebook. If you liked this video, please let me know so that I can know to make more. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have a towel and a nice shower ready for you and maybe a cup of coffee if it's the morning. I'll see you in the next workout series.